Placement of burr into the latch type contra-angled handpiece. Type of burrs used: long taper burr, round burr, straight burr, inverted cone burr. Step 1. Identify the latch at the back of the contra-angle handpiece, which is present on the back side of the head of the handpiece. Step 2. That is opening of the latch. Sliding of the latch in a anti-clockwise direction. Step 3. That is the insertion of the burr into the handpiece. The burr is inserted into the head of the handpiece and then the burr is rotated in the clockwise direction. The base of the burr should be seen at the reverse end of the head of the handpiece. The last step, that is the latch head, should be rotated back in the clockwise direction.